Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at what price would want to play out on Monday once the market opens. So first, before we take that trend, we would want to know the trend for such movements that we would want to trade. We can clearly see that this trend on CADJPY is actually on a bearish move, so no doubt about that, right? But right now we are kind of having like a pullback or whatever you want to see. I'm seeing this as a bullish move. One, if you take a look at your card, right, you see that card is kind of giving us like a bullish move or a pullback as you would want to see it, right? Which is kind of like bullish. So we expect that card should, kind of give us a bullish move against our JPY. Coupled with the fact that this JPY, we will start expecting a bearish move. We will start expecting a drop. So let's see it from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. We see that the foot trend for this JPY index is actually a bearish move. So this what we see here is actually a pullback. So now we will be expecting a drop on this JPY. That is to say that any other pairs we will be trading to JPY should give us a bullish move. But to be able to predict this price for a day, which is the next day, we would have to see it this way. You can see that this price is dropping. So we should see something like this, a drop. Then we should get a pullback on this JPY index, then another drop. So once this pullback is over and we are having another drop, that is when we'll start seeing a bullish move on CADJPY. So what I would want to see on this CADJPY is kind of like, a little bit of a pullback, which I think is over. We are getting that pullback, which I think is over. So what we will be watching out for or be expecting on CADJPY is kind of that bullish move that we would be expecting a bullish move now. So that is what we'll be watching out for. You can also see this price is now above the 10 period simple moving average. So expect more bullish move, right? So now see it on this 4 hour time frame. Massive move that was made there. Then here comes a pullback on the 4 hour time frame. Then a new highs was made that took out the previous highs, and now a pullback has been made. Take a look at this again. New highs have been made that took out this previous highs, and now you can see that you can take a look at this to be a pullback. What we'll be expecting next is another high. So CAD JPY, we should expect a bullish move.